Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku of today of Wednesday, April the 15th. This is a Sudoku medium, so let's get started. Alright, I see here 6 in this row, a 6 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only two places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these two boxes. I see there 6, so no 6 in those two boxes. One box left for the 6 should be this one. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 6, so no 6 here. Here also a 6, so no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. I see here 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the last row. Oh, we have a 7 already, so no, I cannot continue with the 7. Let me see. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then 3 and 8. 4. 2. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these two boxes. I see here 2, so no 2 in those two boxes. One box left for the 2 should be this one. Then 5 and 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then 9, 3, 4, and 9. 3, 4, and 9, 2, 4, 5, and then 9. I need, yes, this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 4, 5, and 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these two boxes. One box left for the 9 should be here. 4 and 5, 4 and 5 are left. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Here, 3 boxes are missing, 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are 3, 4, and 9. I see here a 4, so no 4 in these two boxes. One box left for the 4 should be here. Then we have the 9 and the 3, 9 and the 3. As a pair. Yes. Same like here, we have 2 numbers left in this row, the 9 and the 3. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here, 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so in the column between, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. One box is missing in this row for the number 8. Then can I do something with the 4? Yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4, so no 4 in these two boxes. I see there 4, so no 4 in those two boxes. One box remain for the 4, should be this one. 5, 2, and 8. Yes, 8, 1. 2. Yes, these three numbers of this big square, the numbers are 2, 1, 2, and an 8. I see here 2, so no 2 in these two boxes. One box left for the 2 should be here. 1 and 8, 1 and 8 are left. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Yes, that means these two boxes are reserved for the 3 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. 3 and the 5. Here, the two boxes left for the middle row are reserved for the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. So in this row, we have a 9 in the one of those two boxes. In this row, we have a 9 over there. So in the row between, the only place for the 9 should be there. One box is missing for this big square. For the number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 3 should be here. One box, one missing number in this row for the number 8. Now we have an 8 here, so these two boxes, 1 and an 8 are left. I remember we have an 8 now, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be there, and the 5 goes here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. Now we have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 5 goes there. Then can I fill no, I need more information. I need more information. These two boxes are left for this column for the numbers 9 and 1. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so in the first row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and the 8 goes there. Then these two numbers, in this column. The missing numbers here are the numbers 1 and the 5. No, we have a 5. 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 3 is here, here, or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. Here also a 3, so no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box is missing in this column. Second column for the number 6. 6 is missing, yes. We have a 6 in this first row, 6 in the third row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here and there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Can I do something with these 2 numbers? Yes, the 2 missing numbers here are the 7 and the 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row, so in the row between. The second row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here and there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 missing number in this column for the number 5, believe. Yes, 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the first column for the numbers 5, and the 4 is missing. I see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers 1 and 7. I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so in the row between, the only place for the 7 should be here. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes for a medium Sudoku. Alright, if you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like or if you want. Hit that bell if you want to notify by YouTube for new Sudokus. Otherwise, download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Rest me to say thank you for watching, and I see you in a minute with the last regular Sudoku, a killer Sudoku. Thank you for now, and bye bye.